sing and play. Hey, Magic English, Magic English. Have fun with Disney every day. Have fun with Disney every day.
Ven a descubrir el inglés. Escucha bien y mira bien. Vas a cantar, vas a jugar, te vas a divertir con Disney.
Magic English, Magic English. Look and speak and sing and play. Play. Magic English, Magic English. Have fun with Disney every day. Have fun with Disney every day.
Atención, a la señal Playtime te tocará jugar. Playtime, ahí te tocará cantar. Playtime, ahí te tocará hablar o repetir. Playtime, ahí te tocará contestar o adivinar.
Magic English, Magic English. Have fun with Disney every day. Have fun with Disney every day. Have fun with Disney every day.
Wild animals. Pluto's happy. He has a little bone. A very little bone. The lion has a bone too. A very big bone. Pluto wants it. Be careful, Pluto. Pluto takes the lion's bone. But now he can't get out of the cage. The bone is too big. Be careful, Pluto. The lion is a wild animal. Wild animals are dangerous. Who has the bone now? The baby kangaroo has it. A gorilla. Pluto is afraid. Where's Pluto now? He's in the water. in the water with a crocodile. The crocodile is a wild animal. He wants to eat Pluto. An ostrich. Giraffes. Oh, a peacock. Huh? A tiger. Hurry, Pluto. Run away. Pluto's safe now. Now the little bone looks good. Pluto's happy again.
Te toca repetir.
This is a kangaroo. This is a gorilla. These are giraffes. This is a peacock. This is an ostrich.
Here we are now.
They're babies. They're lambs. They're looking for their mothers. She's a sheep. She's sad. She doesn't have a baby. This is a baby lion. He's looking for a mother. She becomes his mother. Lambert is a baby lion. He lives with the lambs. The lambs grow up. They're sheep now. Lambert is a big lion now. Here comes a wolf. A bad wolf. Lambert is afraid. The wolf is a wild animal.
Lambert!
Mama!
All the sheep are afraid. Lambert's mother is in danger. Lambert becomes wild. He roars. Lambert saves his mother. Lambert is a hero.
Te toca contestar.
Is Lambert a lamb? No, he isn't. Is she a sheep? Yes, she is. Is the wolf a wild animal? Yes, he is. Is Lambert a wild animal? Yes, he is.
Wild animals can be dangerous, can be dangerous. Wild animals, if you see one, be careful, run away. The panther is running in the jungle, the snake climbs in the tree. The crocodiles are hungry, but they can't eat me. Wild animals can be dangerous, can be dangerous. Wild animals, if you see one, be careful, run away. The bear is swimming in the water, the monkeys like to play. The tiger is roaring in the jungle, be careful, run away. Wild animals can be dangerous, can be dangerous. Wild animals, if you see one, be careful, run away.
Mowgli's alone in the jungle. Here are the vultures. Here is Shere Khan, the tiger. The vultures are afraid. But Mowgli is not afraid. Be careful, Mowgli. Here's Baloo. He comes to save Mowgli. The vultures come to save Mowgli. Fire! Shere Khan is afraid. Mowgli and his friends are safe. the jungle, there are wild animals. Some of them are Mowgli's friends. Baloo, the bear. Bagheera, the panther. The elephants. And the vultures. But some of them are not Mowgli's friends. Kaa, the snake. And Shere Khan, the tiger. Be careful of these wild animals.
Te toca repetir.
Shere Khan is a tiger. Bagheera is a panther. Baloo is a bear. Kaa is a snake. The vultures are Mowgli's friends. Wild animals live in the jungle. Wild animals live in the forest. This lion jumps. These crocodiles swim. That elephant climbs. Listen to that tiger roar.
Wild animals can be dangerous, can be dangerous. Wild animals, if you see one,
Be careful!
run away.
Te toca cantar.
Wild animals can be dangerous, can be dangerous. Wild animals, if you see one,
Be careful!
run away. Wild animals can be dangerous, can be dangerous. Wild animals, if you see one,
Be careful!
run away.
Goofy and the elephant are in the jungle. They're looking for wild animals. Lunchtime. They stop for a picnic. A wild animal. It's a tiger. He's roaring. Hurry up! Let's go! Goofy sees the tiger. He's afraid. The tiger takes Goofy away. He's eating Goofy's shoe. It's delicious. Now he wants to eat Goofy's foot. Wild animals are dangerous.
Te toca contestar.
What is this? This is a lamb. What are these? These are sheep. What is this? This is a bear. What is this? This is a snake. What is this? This is a peacock. What are these? These are vultures.
Te toca contestar.
Who's running? The bear is running. Who's climbing? The elephant is climbing. Who's roaring? The lion is roaring.
Te toca repetir.
Pluto wants to get out of the cage. The tiger lives in the jungle. The crocodiles swim in the water. The lion is a wild animal.
Wild animals can be dangerous. Can be dangerous. Wild animals. If you see one,
Be careful.
run away. Wild animals can be dangerous. Can be dangerous. Wild animals. If you see one,
Be careful.
run away.
No te pierdas el próximo ejemplar de Magic English. Funny Faces. Caras divertidas. Jugarás, te divertirás y aprenderás inglés con todos tus amigos. ¡Hasta pronto! Goodbye.
Magic English, have fun with you.